Hello and welcome to a Film Mixologist. What I'm doing today is I've got two small Weber carbs that are in, well, I'm gonna be honest with you, they're really rough. So I'll show you exactly how rough they are. So you can see this is all rusted through. Obviously they had a bit of a kind of soaking down with my secret sauce, which is a 50-50 mix of acetone and automatic transmission fluid. So it's not that secret anymore anyway. Hope you can keep a secret, guys. And things have started already to move a bit, because look, before this was all seized up, so this is already loosened up a bit thanks to the secret sauce, so that's okay. And this unit is a 32 DFV. Let's have a look if we get any movement whatsoever. So the secret sauce hasn't done the job on this one. So basically the aim of this series, the aim of this video is to try and, first of all, I'm going to try and see if I can take them apart without completely destroying every single part. So and then kind of clean them up, sell them. I bought these carbs in the summer, so I've had them for quite a long time. So now it is the time to get them to live again. So without further ado, let's start kind of tearing into the unit and see what we can do. Okay, so that was easier than I thought it was going to be, actually. I'm going to show you the critical bits that generally tend to kind of scupper a build. So the first one is the idle mixture screw that I took. Where was it? It was here. Yeah, the idle mixture screw, if it gets stuck, that is a real problem. Then, I mean, you can get kind of the jets also, which in this case kind of didn't get stuck here, and there. Those bits can get stuck, so that's a problem. But actually, this unit has cleaned up relatively well. So now what I need to do is, obviously all of this is in a disgraceful state, and it's gonna have to be kind of totally cleaned and restored. So let's put all these bits away in a bag and let's begin with the next one. But I think that's gonna be material for another episode. I mean, I've got material here to last me a lifetime, but anyway. So I think without further ado, we're gonna call it see you on the next episode.